What if I told you some gadgets don't need batteries, don't need charging, and still create power, motion, and mind-blowing effects just from movement? These are kinetic gadgets, and once you see how they work, you'll never look at motion the same way again. Let's start because number 1 is unreal.
Gadget number 13, Kinetic Desk Toy. This gadget looks like a simple desk decoration at first glance, but the moment you touch it, something different happens because it uses precise balance, gravity, and kinetic transfer to keep motion flowing smoothly with almost no effort. There are no motors, no electronics, and no batteries involved. It absorbs tiny vibrations from your hand, desk, or environment and converts them into calming, continuous motion, which is why people use it for stress relief, focus, and mental reset. It's one of those objects that silently pulls your attention and relaxes your brain without you realizing it.
Gadgets number 12, Hand Crank Kinetic Power Generator. This gadget proves electricity doesn't have to come from a wall, because every time you rotate the handle, internal gears spin a generator that converts mechanical motion into real electrical energy. That energy can charge phones, power lights, or run small electronics, making it extremely reliable in emergencies, camping, or off-grid use. There's no battery dependency and no energy loss from storage because you're creating power in real time with your own motion, which makes this one of the most practical kinetic gadgets you can own.
Gadgets number 11, Shake-Powered Kinetic Flashlight. This flashlight works even after years of being unused because inside it, a magnet moves through copper coils when you shake it, instantly generating electricity that powers bright LEDs. There's nothing to leak, degrade, or fail over time, which is why kinetic flashlights are trusted in survival kits, disaster preparedness, and emergency bags. It's simple physics working perfectly with zero maintenance.
Gadgets number 10, Kinetic Gyro Powerball. The moment you spin this device, resistance starts building rapidly because the internal gyroscopic force increases as speed increases, meaning the harder you push it, the harder it pushes back. This creates intense kinetic resistance that strengthens wrists, forearms, grip, and coordination without weights or electronics. Athletes, musicians, gamers, and rehab patients use it because it trains muscles using pure motion fighting motion.
Gadgets number 9, Kinetic Phone Charging Backpack. This backpack looks normal from the outside, but while you walk, run, or move, hidden kinetic generators inside convert your body's motion into electrical energy. Every step creates small amounts of power that gets stored and routed to a USB output, allowing you to charge your phone, earbuds, or power bank while simply walking. There is no need to plug it into a wall or rely on pre-charged batteries, making it perfect for daily commuters, travelers, students, and emergency situations. It silently turns wasted movement into usable energy and proves how kinetic technology can blend naturally into everyday life without changing how you move at all.
Gadgets number 8, Magnetic Kinetic Desk Sculpture. This device uses magnetic balance and kinetic momentum to create smooth, floating motion that looks almost unreal. There are no hidden motors or power sources, just carefully positioned magnets interacting with motion and gravity. Once it starts moving, it feels hypnotic and calming, making it perfect for desks, offices, or anyone who enjoys watching physics come to life.
Gadgets number 7, Shake Charge Emergency Radio. Designed for worst-case scenarios, this radio uses hand cranking and shaking motion to generate power for radio signals, LED lighting, and sometimes USB charging. Even when all infrastructure fails, this device still works because it relies only on human movement, which is why it's trusted during natural disasters and power outages. Gadgets number 6, Motion-Powered LED Shoes. These wearables convert walking and running motion into electrical pulses using tiny kinetic generators. The faster you move, the brighter they glow. There's no charging and no battery replacement required, turning your body into the power source and movement into energy. Gadgets number 5. Kinetic self-stirring mug. This mug may look like a normal cup, but inside it uses controlled kinetic rotation to move liquid smoothly without spoons or shaking. A simple press or motion activates the internal mechanism, which transfers energy directly into the drink, mixing coffee, sugar, protein, or supplements evenly without splashing. There are no complicated electronics involved, which keeps it reliable and easy to use daily. It's one of those gadgets that feels unnecessary until you use it once and then realize how much time and effort it quietly saves. Gadgets number 4. Battery-free kinetic doorbell. Every single press of this doorbell creates its own power because the mechanical motion from the button instantly generates enough kinetic energy to transmit a wireless signal to the receiver. There are no batteries to replace, no wiring through walls, and no long-term maintenance required. It works because the action itself becomes the power source, making it one of the smartest and most practical real-world uses of kinetic energy you can install in any home. Gadgets number 3. Kinetic energy floor tiles. These tiles turn ordinary footsteps into usable electricity by compressing internal generators every time someone steps on them. That pressure creates kinetic motion, which is instantly converted into electrical energy that can be stored or used immediately. This technology is already being used in gyms, airports, and smart buildings to power lighting and systems, proving that human movement at scale can become a reliable, renewable energy source without changing daily behavior. Gadgets number 2. Automatic kinetic mechanical watch. This watch doesn't need batteries or charging because it stays powered by the natural movement of your wrist. Inside, a weighted rotor spins with every motion, winding the mainspring automatically. As long as the watch is worn, it keeps ticking accurately, combining classic mechanical engineering with kinetic efficiency. It's a perfect example of how movement alone can sustain precision technology for decades. Gadgets number 1. GickFun DIY Hand Crank Generator Kit. At number 1, we have the GickFun DIY Hand Crank Generator Kit, a compact survival gadget that turns your own motion into real, usable energy. This isn't just a flashlight or a gimmick, it's a fully functional hand crank generator that powers a COB light and even includes a lighter for emergencies, all in a portable, durable design perfect for camping, hiking, blackouts, or any outdoor adventure. When you crank it, the internal dynamo converts your motion into electricity instantly. And that's a wrap. 13 incredible kinetic gadgets that turn movement into energy, light, and fun. From desk toys to the GickFun hand crank generator, these gadgets prove motion is power. If you loved this, like, subscribe, and comment which gadget blew your mind the most. The future isn't plugged in, it's in motion.